औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। आज क्वेश्चन से पहले मैं एक बात आपसे शेयर करना चाहूँगा। जिस वक्त मैं ये वीडियो या ये लेसन रिकॉर्ड करता हूँ, इसका वीडियो जब मैं रिकॉर्ड करता हूँ तो मोस्टली मैं फ़ोन ऑफलाइन मोड में रखता हूँ। अनफॉर्चुनेटली आज मैं भूल गया था फोन को ऑफलाइन मोड एक्टिवेट करना। तो मैं डिलीवर कर रहा था क्लास डिलीवर कर रहा था। इन द वेरी मिडल आई गॉट ए कॉल and the recording stopped. So I have to start once again from the beginning. Anyway, इंसान दिन ब दिन सीखता ही है। बहरहाल, my boy will read out the question to me.
A 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line.
Okay, just wait. The question says, a 1.2 meter tall girl, 1.2 meter tall girl, for example, the height of this girl is AB, and it is 1.2 meters. He spots a balloon flying in the air. She spots a balloon which is flying in the air, just like this. For example, okay, come on.
In a horizontal line at the height of 88.2 meters.
Okay. Also, the information says that the height of the balloon above the ground is 88.2 meters. And
the angle of elevation of a balloon from the eyes of the girl at any instance is 60 degrees.
Okay. Question says that if the girl looks at the balloon, the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. For example, DE or DC is the height of this balloon above the ground.
After some time, the angle of elevation is reduced to 30 degrees. See figure 9.13. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval.
The balloon is moving in a horizontal position. For example, it reaches this position. We will mark it M. Once again, the girl looks at the balloon at this position and the angle of elevation reduces to 30. That means this angle. MA, for example, this is P. P is 30 degrees. So, the question asks us, the question inquires, we have to find the distance traveled by the balloon during this interval. It is clear from everyday experiences that if a flying object or any other object is getting away from our sight and we spot it at different instants, the angle of elevation reduces. Same is the case here. First the balloon was at position D and the angle of elevation was 60. When it moves away from us, when the balloon moves away from us and it clears a distance from D to M, it travels a distance from D to M, the angle of elevation gets reduced and becomes 30 degrees. What we have to find? Question says we have to find the distance traveled by the balloon during this interval. Okay. This is also the height of the balloon. We will mark this point as Q and this point as R. So friends, first of all we will summarize the whole situation. Let AB is the height of girl, okay, and DC or MQ, height of balloon, and DM is the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval. Once again, I will remind you, when we are talking about heights, it is generally vertical height. Now, in this question, if we have to find DM, we can't find it directly. We have to find RP because RP and DM are equal. But how we can find this RP? First we will find AP, then we will find AR. After that we will subtract AR from AP. We will get the distance RP or DM. So, how can we find first this AP? If you look clearly in the figure, if you look closely at the figure, you will find that there are two right angular triangles in this figure, AMP and ADR. First of all, we will take this right angular triangle AMP. In right angular triangle AMP. Look friends, we have to find AP. This AP is adjacent side to this angle 30 and MP is the opposite side. You can ask a simple question, sir, MP is not given, so how can we find it first? It is simple. MQ is 88, okay, 0.2 meters. But if you look, AB, which is the height of, that is the height of the girl, is also PQ equal to PQ, so this PQ is also equal to 1.2 meters. Therefore, MP is 87 meters. So we can easily now find this AP. In triangle AMP, here the opposite side to the given angle is given and we have to find the adjacent side, so we will take tan of the ratio, tan ratio of the angle. Tan of 30 degree is equal to MP divided by AP. Tan of 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to MP. MP is 87. You just saw it. Divided by AP. AP into 1 is equal to AP is equal to further 87 into root 3, that is 87 root 3 meters. Mark this equation as first, because for subtraction we need meters reference. Now we will take other this right angle triangle, that is ADR or ARD, sorry. In triangle ARD, Here the angle is 60, mind it. Tan of 60 degree is equal to dr divided by AR. Why again tan ratio? Because the opposite side to this angle 60 is given. We have to find the adjacent side, and these two sides are included in the tan ratio. So tan of 60 is root 3. Root 3 is equal to dr. Dr is just like this, 87 meters divided by AR. Through transposition we will get root 3 into AR is equal to 87 meters, or AR is equal to 87 by root 3 meters. Now we can easily find the distance traveled by this balloon during the interval. Therefore, distance traveled look, distance traveled is actually dm, but this dm is equal to rp. So if we will subtract AR from AP, we will get RP, and RP is automatically the distance traveled. Distance traveled will be AP minus AR. AP, you know it is 87 root 3, 87 root 3 meters minus AR. AR is 87 by root 3 meters. Just a bit of simplification, please. Here, 87 is a common factor. We will write 87 as like this. Here we remains root 3 minus, here remains 1 by root 3 meters. Now, just once again, further simplification will lead us to 87 into root 3 into root 3 means 3, minus 1 into 1 means 1, divided by root 3 into 1 is root 3 meters. This is 87 into 2 divided by root 3 meters. 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, and 1 17, 174 meters divided by root 3. If you like to eliminate this or rationalize this, you can, but if you keep it as this, it is okay. Thank you. This was today's lesson. As I told you in the beginning that today I have to put a bit more effort because someone interrupted me, my recording. Sorry for that. If you have any question regarding today's lesson, you can go to comment box and ask about it. Thank you.